everyone, marhaban, shakbarikum, salam alaikum, kefalkum, zain, ana zain, alhamdulillah. Guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm learning Emirati Arabic and I'm trying to document everything here on my YouTube channel, alright? So if you've been here, welcome once again and thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, alright? So in today's video, I'm continuing with my revision. As I normally say, I'm not a teacher, I'm just learning Emirati Arabic dialect and see how it goes. Alright, so if you're interested, join me and let's learn together. In my previous video, I'm trying to group these videos into groups, okay, for me to be able to understand and for anyone who is learning with me as well. For example, in my previous video, we did about greetings, anything to do with greetings. So in this video, we are going to do directions, okay? In that case, I feel like it's easier for me to learn and understand more than just, randomly, revising everything. So I'm trying to learn in groups, okay? So we are going to see what is happening today when it comes to direction, okay? Left, yasar, right, yamin, straight, alatol, go, ruhi or idab, ruhi or idab, stop, waqf, waqf. For example, yasir gabal el mall, yasir gabal el mall. Turn left before the mall. Turn left before the mall. Yamin ba'd al-suq. Yamin ba'd al-suq. Turn right after the market. Turn right after the market. Another example is Amshi alatol lil madrasa. Amshi alatol lil madrasa. It means walk straight to the school. Walk straight to the school. Let's repeat that one again. Amshi alatol lil madrasa. Amshi alatol lil madrasa. Another example is El metro hina. El metro hina. The metro is here. The metro is here. Okay. Al funduk hina. Al funduk hina. The hotel is here. The hotel is here. Interesting. Asuk garib. Asuk garib. The market is near. The market is near. Al matar baid. Al matar baid. The airport is far. The airport is far. Okay. Another example is Rohinak. Rohinak. Go there. Go there. Roh and idab is the same thing. Okay. So there is something I've noticed. Bus is bus. Metro, metro. Taxi, taxi. Airport, matar. Airport, matar. Like for example, you want to say, how much is the taxi? Become taxi. Become taxi. I want metro. Aba metro. Aba metro. Another where is Wayne. Wayne. Here, hina. Hina. There, hunak. Hunak. Near, garib. Garib. Far. Baid. Baid. So guys, I think that is it for today. Like for example, if you want to make sentences like how much is the taxi? Become el taxi. Become el taxi. روح هناك في metro. روح هناك في metro. Go there. There is metro. Those are some examples that I can make, by myself. Otherwise, let's go through these phrases and words when it comes to direction. Let's practice more for us to be able to understand. Otherwise, that is it for today. And thank you so much for watching up to this end. I hope to see you in the next video. Yalla, ma salama.